Hello world from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, guys. I just arrived to Chinatown, having my coffee. Here is the beautiful Hindu temple, by the way, in Chinatown, in Kuala Lumpur, if you're interested. And well, I didn't have a lunch yet, so probably I'm gonna have a nasi lemak. Finally, many of you are actually waiting for nasi lemak. So enjoy today's video from Chinatown, Kuala Lumpur. And of course, this is just another example how in Kuala Lumpur, how in Malaysia, everything is mixed about the culture and traditions and everything. Also, the architecture is very nice over here. Little bit of the shots from the city. How does it look like on the way to the nasi lemak? You can see Chinese accents of the architecture and also the Merdeka 118. And just on the way also you can buy some authentic Chinese tea, I reckon. This is the lady selling. Or sugarcane guy, why not? Always good to having a sugarcane juice. If you're interested, this is how he's working hard. And this is the sugarcane itself. Another some stall selling something, actually not sure what this guy is selling. Another some sort of drinks. Here is the famous entrance to the Jalan Petaling, which is a huge Chinese market in Chinatown. I mean, not sure if it's Chinese market, but in like a Chinatown market. And there is like a streets where you can find so many restaurants, bars, and this is what I'm gonna explore first. You can find here so many Chinese restaurants, very nice restaurants. I read some reviews on the internet. Highly recommended. However, as I'm already a few days in Malaysia, I didn't try the nasi lemak. Today I'm gonna try nasi lemak, and I can still have a few weeks to come back to Chinatown. I wanna show you around anyways. So many fancy bars here. I mean, cool looking bars. Look at this street over here, people coming to making pictures. But for me, the more interesting is this mural. And well, just very nice looking street. Like every Chinatown gonna have something like that, that's for sure. This is full entire wall, so I'm gonna try to show you the full mural. How does it look like? It's like a story of the very old Chinatown, something like that. Also look at the quality from the closer look. This is all handmade, hand paint by the paintings, actually very nice. Really like the quality. And of course, this is just the beginning of my video. Be prepared, as this vlog gonna be quite long today, guys, but you will enjoy it. This is the 4 Points by Sheraton in Chinatown. I used to stay here first night before I moved to my condo. But about my condominium and where I'm living and how I'm living in Kuala Lumpur, I'm gonna make a separate video in maybe next week, guys. There's also over here some nice looking bar, restaurant, just at the corner of the 4 Points hotel. Not sure what's the name, but it's actually quite busy inside. Check this out, this street over here with the really cool designed mural. Actually really cool. So many people actually coming here to making pictures. But one more time, look at the quality of this. It's very hard because so many people coming here to make pictures, but I wanna try to show you how does it look like. And this is one of the smaller streets where I think not many people driving around, and just impressed about the architecture here itself in general. This is like an old looking building with some nice bar probably. This guy making pictures, street photography. So I'm gonna be on someone's Instagram and I'm gonna show you how does it look around actually. So cool. And of course you can find here on the back side of the street little bit of the rubbish, and everything looks like this one, so you can feel the proper vibe of the old Chinatown, guys. And of course, guys, like in any other Chinatowns, it's very safe here. Even if you are walking on the small streets, you don't have to worry about anything, that's for sure. I was walking around looking for nasi lemak, this nice Chinese food restaurant, but I'm not interested about Chinese food right now. And I nearly missed this actually cool looking the mural over there. And eventually I think I found the place. It's called Malaya Garden, and seems like it's very popular. They're selling the nasi lemak, so they're on the internet. And the queue is amazingly long. So I'm gonna wait for a while, but I'm gonna do it for you guys.
We don't get party then?
Alright, eventually I got the table, little bit fancy place, but will be very nice for sure. Alright, my nasi lemak arrived. Check this out. It's actually pretty big and very nice looking portion of nasi lemak. Very nice place with the infused sparkling water. I'm gonna try. But if it tastes how it looks, it must be really, and I'm gonna tell you, it's actually really nice, very nice. Alright guys, one of my biggest missions in Malaysia is completed. I try nasi lemak, really like it. Now is the time to show you some bazaar, some market. This is Petaling Street market in Chinatown, guys. So as any bazaar like this one, you can find starting from the clothes up to any kind of accessories, fake sunglasses, watches, belts, Squid Game t-shirt, if you are interested, and many stuff like this one. Or for instance, you can buy the Christian Dior fake bag or wallet or any kind of goodies here. Also the jewelry, in case if you're interested. And well, that's how it looks. Also some people drinking here, enjoying their time, the watches. Happy people. You can buy many stuff, like in every market, guys. I'm just wanna show you a little bit, and I want you to feel the vibe, how it's over here. Just outside the market, you can see everywhere some old looking streets with the old murals, but also architecture here is very interesting. Like you can see everywhere around, like this building for instance is very old, it's very cool. Also so many people walking around. And another interesting thing on the list is the Kasturi Walk and the Central Market. However, I think the Kasturi Street is closed right now. As I told, the Kasturi Walk is currently out of business. It's totally closed for some part. So let's have a walk and let's have a look on the Central Market, which means Pasar Seni itself. There is the huge sign of the Central Market, people coming here to making the pictures. One of the characteristic places here. And this is the building itself and the entrance. This is from since 1888. Currently, this is the tourist attraction with so many shops, mostly with merchandise and some more specialized articles you can find around. It's very old building, also some very nice cafes upstairs. There are here also some paintings and any other art thing. Definitely more cultural part of the market, guys. And the market itself particularly is very huge. However, I think currently, due to the current situation, is less popular attraction because partly is closed, many things are closed inside. There's also something interesting. There is also gold building with the gold window, but here it looks like some monument with the clock. And there are also very nice architecture everywhere around, guys. Also, it must be something very important here because it's professional camera people. They're gonna making some series or something next to this statue. There is some also very nice looking Chinese temple over here. Check this out, guys. Really nice. Unfortunately, it's closed, but it's looking very nice. Also, the weather is changed. Also, you can move around the city using something like this one. Okay, guys, I think I showed you most of the things. So now it's time for the coffee, and the coffee must be now in the somewhere very old Chinese place, which is Old China Cafe. I'm gonna show you how it looks inside. Never been there, to be honest. They didn't have a coffee in there, so I changed the plans and come to the Wildflower bar in the corner, and it's actually a pretty cool place. My coffee in the progress. And meanwhile, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the bar around. And so many selection of the drinks. Also so many people coming all the time, sitting everywhere. So pretty cool place to be. Coffee arrived, beautiful, great vibes. Cheers, guys. Alright, guys, it's getting dark and this mural is actually lightning. It's actually very beautiful. I want to show you a little bit of the Chinatown during the night, afternoon, because it's also so nice when all the lights are up. And at the same time, actually, when it's already so dark, more and more people coming up. Well, in general, in the center of Kuala Lumpur, more darker is more lightning. and looks actually totally different than during daytime. And I think also more people coming because it's just simply cooler. I mean, it's not that hot. All right, guys, just was chilling little bit, sitting, and this gentleman come to me and we have a little spoke. Where are you from, bro?
India.
India. What's your name? Very hard to right away in India. And yeah, so you can meet very friendly people from all around the world in here, right? Always good to talk, guys. Yo, how you doing? All good?
Yes, I'm fine.
What you say? What? I have already one.
One more.
I will show you. Yeah. Very beautiful, very beautiful. And very cheap, yeah?
Yes.
The center of the people making pictures, center of the Chinatown market in Chinatown, guys. Last shot from the middle of the market, 360-degree, guys. That's how it looks like. Just the music in the background is a little bit problematic for me. This guy is grilling something, bakar. I think that's some sort of peanuts or something. And this is very nice looking building with the lampions. Right, guys, that's it from me for today. That was the Chinatown in Kuala Lumpur. I hope so you enjoyed. Let me know what do you think about the Malaysian series, and that's still just the beginning. Slowly I'm gonna going out from the Kuala Lumpur center, showing you different areas of Malaysia and also Kuala Lumpur. So that's it from me from today. I will see you tomorrow as always. Yeah, take care, guys.